In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create LinkedIn carousel in Figma. We're going to move from discovering a ready-made template to dropping it straight into your own project so you can start customizing right away. This is a fast, reliable workflow that saves time while keeping your design consistent and on brand. First, open your browser and head to figma.com. Make sure you're signed in, since accessing and copying community files works best when you're in your account. Any browser works, but a modern one like Chrome or Edge will feel snappier with large design files. Once you're in, click on Community. The Figma community is a huge library of files, templates, and components shared by creators. It's where you'll find pre-built LinkedIn carousel designs that you can use as a starting point rather than building from scratch. In the community search bar, type LinkedIn carousel. Give it a second to load results. You'll see a mix of styles: minimal, bold, corporate, and playful. If you want, you can glance at the file details to check how many frames are included and whether the canvas size matches your needs. For LinkedIn, square frames like 1080 by 1080 are a safe bet for carousels. Pick a template that matches your brand vibe and click it to open the details page. Here, scroll through the preview images to get a feel for the layout and typography. Take a moment to read any notes from the creator about usage and customization. If there are components or styles included, that's a bonus. It makes editing easier. Now, click Open in Figma. This will open the file in your workspace or drafts so you can interact with it. If Figma prompts you to allow access or duplicate the file, go ahead and confirm. Give it a moment to load all fonts and images, especially if it's a large template. With the file open, select the design you want to use. You can drag to marquee select the frames on the canvas, or click the frame names in the Layers panel. Press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy. If the template uses components, you can copy the frames without breaking their structure. It'll still paste cleanly. Switch over to your project file and paste the design. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Place the frames on the page where you want them and consider renaming frames for clarity. If fonts are missing, replace them with your brand fonts in one go using the font picker. From here, you can customize text, colors, and imagery to match your message and get your carousel ready for publishing. And that's it. Your LinkedIn carousel is now in your Figma project and ready to refine.